Deep in South America lies a world unlike anywhere else. A place where life thrives in every leaf, every drop of rain, and every breath of air. This is the Amazon rainforest, the beating heart of nature and the lungs of our planet. The Amazon rainforest, covering nearly 5.5 million square kilometers, it stretches across 9 countries: Brazil, Peru, Colombia, Venezuela, Ecuador, Bolivia, Guyana, Suriname, and French Guiana. Scientists call it the lungs of the Earth because it produces nearly 20% of the world's oxygen and absorbs massive amounts of carbon dioxide, helping control our climate.